This is Science North in Sudbury, and there is a dinosaur up there. I'm a little afraid. I've seen Jurassic Park too many times. Pretty cool so far. We're just about to begin our journey. Oh, I'm in the dark. Lots of stuff here. It is insane. There's IMAX movies and all sorts of stuff. Looking forward to the Firefighter 4D thing as well. So I'm going to go up and make sure that dinosaur doesn't come to life, which would be a little scary, but gonna enjoy it. If you got, let me know if you've ever been to Science North here yourself and what you thought of it. Well, it turns out that it might not be a dinosaur. It looks like it could be a whale, a very large whale. Kind of see up there. It looks a little bit more like a whale than a dinosaur. Still kind of scary. We'll see what happens when we get closer. All right, so stage 3. Turns out it is a whale. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is it's a fin whale. So this it's not a dinosaur. Either way, I would not like it to come to life, like I said before. But it's pretty cool. I mean, that is a fin whale fossil. So if you come here and you see the tail dangling down from the bottom, it is not a dinosaur, but it is still incredibly cool. So Blair's gonna see what it's like to be an astronaut, weightless in space. She's actually tall enough to ride the ride, barely. She just got on, she's pretty excited about that. Oh. She got. She got stuck on her first go around. Apparently it's a lot of upper body strength. Apparently all she can do is cartwheels by the looks of things. How you doing, Blair? We'll find out how she's doing here in just a second. Alright, so, how was it?
That was really fun. That's an upper body strength workout though, for sure.
So could you do that being an astronaut?
No.
No, you couldn't be an astronaut?
No.
You couldn't be like good old Chris Hadfield over here? Look at this. We got Chris Hadfield here. You couldn't be like him?
Maybe after I work out a lot more often.
Chris Hadfield, I don't know how you do it. So Blair has decided to also now find a new way of sleeping. Blair is going to lie on a bed of nails. I just did it too. It's actually pretty cool. You don't really feel the nails at all, but when you come back down off of them is when you feel a little bit of a strangeness. But there you go. So if you've never laid on a bed of nails, you can do that here at Science North. So Blair got a bracelet at the Marianas Trench concert. Show the bracelet. All right, so Never Say Die. That's the name of their tour. There you go. All right. So apparently it glows in the dark. Let's try it out.
Let's see.
Haha, it does too.
Wow, it does.
All right, let's see. Show the word. Can we read the words?
Can we?
Not on my screen very well.
Oh.
You can see it. I don't know. Can't see it now. Put it back together.
What do you mean?
Let go. Yeah, it doesn't get picked up very well on here.
No, hang on, wait. I'll go flat.
No, it did initially. Turn the light back on. It did initially get picked up, and then it did not. But it does glow in the dark. All right, good to know.
It works.
Okay, so we're now into day 2 of Science North. This is Dynamic Earth. We are at There'll probably be a few less videos here, but you will see, I'm going to show you this giant frame. It's 18 meters long. This was the biggest megalodon ever found. You can see, okay, so it starts down kind of right by the window and goes all the way, these rings, down to the front. It's 18 meters, biggest shark ever found, but I learned it's not the biggest predator ever. In fact, that whale skeleton we saw yesterday at Dynamic Earth hanging from the ceiling, or at Science North hanging from the ceiling, that one is actually a bigger predator. That was the fin whale. That was 21 meters long, so actually bigger. What do you know? Gotta be more afraid of the whale, apparently. Although I think this megalodon would scare me a little more. Because, I mean, look at the size of this. Look at the opening here. Right there. Okay, those are its teeth. That would be its jaw. Actually, they have a jaw here, real quick, to show you what this jaw looks like. And I would not want to get eaten up by these teeth. Look at this. Look at this jaw. Like, it's insane. This is a megalodon. All right, I'm going to head underground. Wish me luck. Well, I survived underground. I didn't die in the mine. Really cool, actually, to take you through like a nice little kind of eras, if you will, starting in the late 1800s up to the current 2000s. Shows all the differences and stuff, which is pretty cool. This thing's pretty neat behind me too, just like a random waterfall orb thing. So now all we got left to do, pretty much, is see the big nickel, which is out there somewhere. I don't know if I can pick it up from inside here, but out there. So we'll see that in a minute, and then we're off back to Timmins. Alright, so we are coming to the end of our trip, if you will. We're walking up the big giant nickel. It turned into be a beautiful day after being rainy for a day and a half. Of course, the whole time we were here, it's raining until we're about to leave, because that's the way most trips and vacations go. So, here we go. The big nickel.
That is a giant nickel.
I'm sure it's worth more than 5 cents. Just gonna throw that out there. So that is it. Hopefully it's coming through on my screen. I can't really see my screen at all because the sun is back there somewhere. But that is it. And that has been our trip. So, well, way out there looks like there's the Eiffel Tower. I don't know what that is. I don't know if I can even pick it up from this far. I don't know, out there somewhere there's like wires that look like the Eiffel Tower. That's strange. That has been our trip to Sudbury and Marianas Trench, and awesome times. So, thank you. If you made it through this video, congratulations. Didn't expect that. But thanks anyways.